Copy this AI money machine that makes $10,000 plus month from home. Even if you have zero experience, I'll show you the exact setup that replaced my 9-to-5. Hey friend, welcome back to Digital Wealth with AI. If you've been hearing everybody talking about AI automation, passive income, and making money online, and you're wondering, okay, but how do I actually set this up for myself? Then you're in the perfect place. We are in the present time of AI, and AI is changing the world fast. The truth is, the people who start using it now, not next year, not when things settle, but right now, are the ones who will earn the most. And in today's video, I'll walk you through a complete step-by-step guide to making money from home using AI automation, even if you have no experience, no idea where to start, and no tech background. So grab your pen and book, because you will need to jot this down and make sure you silent everything you are doing right now, get comfortable, and stay focused. Because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to build your own AI-powered income system. Follow me. Let's go. First of all, you need to understand what AI automation even mean. Let's start simple. What does AI automation really mean? AI automation. It's basically using tools like ChatGPT to handle the tasks you would normally do manually. Just imagine. Instead of spending hours creating content, you'll ask AI to do it, and in a minute you will have a very good content ready. Instead of writing emails for clients that will take weeks or months, AI writes them automatically in a minute. Instead of working 8 hours a day, you set up a system once, and it runs itself. One of my students once told me, "Coach Hannah, I feel like I hired a whole employee, but I didn't." That's what AI automation feels like. When you follow the blueprint of this video and do exactly what I teach you here. Now listen, AI is not replacing you, it's just assisting you so you can earn more with less stress. These are the 3 easiest ways to make money using AI from home. Before we step into setup, let me show you the 3 simplest models that is beginners friendly. This is because I want you to understand and do everything perfectly well so that you can start earning fast. 1. Content automation. Those are content like YouTube content, TikTok content, Reels, and so on. Yes, you can use AI to script, edit, design thumbnails, and schedule posts. Once you set the system up, AI writes the content, AI edits the content, AI schedules your content. Then you earn from monetization plus affiliate links. I know someone who posts AI-generated motivational videos and makes $6K month from YouTube ads alone. And she told me, "I barely touch the content anymore. It's automation that does all the heavy work on my behalf." And that is exactly what I want to teach you now, so that you can apply it and start earning without much stress. 2 is AI freelancing, where you can offer services like writing, editing, email creation, social media management, customer support, product descriptions, voiceovers, and at the same time AI does the research. The twist? You use AI to do 80% of the work, and you can earn $100 to $200 per task and $1,000 to $10,000 per month and per client. Imagine having 5 clients. That's a living income from home. 3 is AI digital products, where you create ebooks, templates, checklists, planners, guides, and mini courses. You create it once, AI helps you produce fast, you sell forever. That's passive income right there. Full setup, I mean step-by-step your AI money systems. This is the heart of the video. I'll make it simple, clear, and beginner-proof. Step 1. Choose your money model. You can pick one of these either. AI content automation, AI freelancing, or AI digital products. Listen, don't try to do all. Focus on one. For as you are just starting out. Because the fastest way to fail is trying to do everything at once. Step 2. Set up your AI toolbox. You can use free tools. These are everything you need. 1. ChatGPT for writing scripts, content, marketing, and all other writing stuff. 2. Canva for designing thumbnails, templates, covers, and reels. 3. CapCut for editing videos and making faceless content. 4. Notion or Google Docs for organizing your work. These 4 tools alone can build you a full business. I built my entire digital career with them. Step 3. Set up your automation flows. Here's where things get exciting. You're going to create flows, simple tasks that repeat automatically. Like Flow 1, content automation where ChatGPT writes your script, Canva designs your thumbnail, CapCut auto-edits video, then you schedule it with your affiliate link and start earning even while you sleep. Flow 2. Freelancing automation. This is where client sends you instructions. So once a client sends you the message, you can visit AI to drafts the work for you. Then, you do a little polishing, deliver faster, and earn more. Flow 3 is digital product automation. You can use AI to create the product, use Canva to designs the cover. Then, you upload to Seller, Gumroad, or Payhip. Automated email sends it instantly. Payments come daily and every income model becomes easier when AI is doing the heavy lifting. Step 4 is where you build your traffic engine. That's your money magnet. Note: you need have an eye on your business, because AI won't bring traffic automatically. You must send people to your content or products. Here are 3 growth methods that work in this year perfectly. 1. Short videos, that can be Reels or TikTok. How to process it? AI writes the script, and your post reach explodes. 2. YouTube tutorials teach simple steps and add affiliate links and keep building long-term traffic. 3. WhatsApp broadcast or Telegram channel. Your warm audience are your fastest buyers. I know someone who built a 100K subscriber channel just by posting AI videos consistently. Her first digital product sold over 900 copies. This is how it works. Traffic plus AI equals unstoppable. Step 5 is to monetize your system. This is where the money comes in. Here are your 4 monetization pillars. 1. Affiliate marketing, where you can either promote the tools you use, like ChatGPT, CapCut, or Canva. 2. Digital products where you sell templates, ebooks, or online courses. 3. YouTube monetization. This has to do with ads plus affiliate links equal or double income. 4. Is freelancing gigs, where clients pay for what your AI system produces. When you combine 2 or 3 of these, your income multiplies. Why? This steps works for anyone. Let me tell you a quick story. A lady messaged me saying, "Coach Hannah, I want to build my automated system that can fetch me money, but I have no laptop, no experience, and I'm scared." Guess what? After I finished training her, 3 months later, she sent me a long voice note crying tears of joy, where she built a small digital business using only her phone and AI. She now makes more in a week than she used to make in a month. You don't need special skills, a degree, capital, connections, perfect English, or a fancy laptop. You only need a phone, AI tools, consistency, and a little courage. If you are ready to build yours today, here are your final setup checklist. Your Do This Now checklist. 1. Pick your money model. 2. Set up your AI tools. 3. Create your automation flows. 4. Start posting content for traffic. 5. Add your monetization links. 6. Improve week by week. 7. Don't stop. What do I said? Don't stop. Here you have all your blueprint ready. If you found this video helpful, do 3 things for me. 1. Like this video, it helps more people see it. 2. Comment a money system if you want me to drop templates you can use. 3. Subscribe so you don't miss the next powerful tutorial. And check the description or pinned comment for ready-made AI automation resources you can download and start using today. Remember this: you don't need to work harder to change your life, you just need the right system, and AI is that system. Keep believing, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay blessed.